Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. Now let's check the other type of the trim surface, and that's mutual. So let's go to trim surface. And here on our trim type, let's select mutual. And now we have also two tabs. And the first tab is trimming surfaces. So we can choose as many surfaces as we want, but we can choose only surfaces. We cannot choose line, sketch, or a plane. So we have these surfaces here. So we have surface 1 and surface 2. Let's choose the surface and the surface. And then in the other tab, the pieces to keep. We can choose which pieces we want to keep or remove. Now let's keep this one. Let's click on this. And now we see that this part disappears, which is kinda strange, right? Because this is the piece that we want to keep, but now it disappears. And this is only because we have that kind of a preview option on. We have a preview option here. And now we have our show excluded surfaces on. Now we see the surfaces that will be gone. Here we have show included surfaces. Let's click this one. And now we see this part will be kept. As well, we have a third option here. That is show both included and excluded surfaces. Let's check this one. The pieces that will be removed are blue. So let's click OK. And now we see that this part is kept. Let's go back. Edit. Let's go with remove selections. And now we're gonna remove this. Now we can see the blue one, and this one will be removed. Let's click OK. And now it's removed. Let's go back. Let's edit. Let's delete this. And now let's choose only this one. And then click OK. And now we got this result. So now we see we don't use trim tool. We only use our existing surfaces. Now let's look at those surfaces here. So we want to trim those surfaces. If we look here at our three surfaces bodies, so here we have the surface here, and we have surface trim 1, the surface here, and between them we have 6 surfaces. As we see, those one. Now let's cut them. Let's go to trim, and here let's choose all of those surfaces. So let's choose each surface. And that's it. Now let's go to another tab, this one. And now let's go here, remove selections. And let's choose those pieces that are opened. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this, like this one here. This one. Let's go here. Like this. Then we have here. Like this. Like this. And this. Let's go here. And we have this. And I think that's all. Also, we have here. And I think this is it. Like this. And now let's click OK. And now we got this surface here. Now if we go to section view, we see this is surface, and it's empty inside. And now let's look at our tree. We don't have 6 surfaces anymore here, we have only 1 surface. As we see, surface trim 2. And this is the result of the mutual type of the trim tool. Because before, when we used here a standard type, we see here at the beginning that we had 2 surfaces, and after we used surface trim, we had 2 surfaces, right? But here, after we used our trim tool, we have only 1 surface. So instead of 6, we got 1 surface. Now let's go to surface trim 2, edit, and let's go down. And here we have some options, and we will choose an option that is create solid. So let's check this, and let's click OK. And now if we go section view, we can see that this one is solid. So we don't need to use some other tools to create solid body. And this is how we can use a trim tool. We can use a standard type or mutual type. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.